February 2021. Class 2, Subject Science. Write T for true and A for false. Question number 1. A. All living things need water to live. True. Answer is true. Next, we need water to drink. Answer is true. Next question, water helps to keep us and our surrounding clean. Answer is true. Next question, we get water from one place. Answer is false. Next question, we got from river is called rainwater. Answer is false. False. Next question, the water we find in wells in underground water. Answer is true. All plants, animals and humans beings need water to live. Answer is true. Thank you. 2021 Class 2 Subject Math. Add the following. Number 8 question. 1 10 5 6 plus 11. Add 1 plus 3 4 3 7. Next 5 8 13 3 10 1 5 plus 3 8. Next 7 9 16 6. Add 1 4 2 6. The next sum is equal now. Okay. Thank you. 2nd February 2021 Class 2 English. Choose the correct words to complete the sentence. Question number 1. Dicky Boot is a machine human. Option is machine. Next question. Dicky Boot dash for itself. Option can think, cannot think. Answer is cannot think. Next question. Mummy wanted to plant the dash. Option X seeds. Answer is seeds. Next, the children enjoyed dash the cake and the story. Only the story. The cake and the story. Answer. The cake and the story. Next question. There were dash eggs in the padding. Answer is 6. Second February 2021 Class 4 Subject Science. Choose the correct options. The dash is a half moon of burning gas. 4 options. There are 4 options. Moon, Sun, Earth, Jupiter. Answer is Sun. Next, which of the following is gas giant? 4 options: Jupiter, Earth, Mercury, Mars. Answer is Jupiter. Next question. There are dash prominent rings around the stone. Options 5, 9, 3, 7. Option is 7. Next, dash is the only plant with life on it. There are 4 options: Neptune, Earth, Uranus, Jupiter. Answer is Jupiter, Earth. Thank you. Second February 2021, Class 3, English. Picnic at Lake Amam. Make T for true and A for false. This was the young children's second visit to the lake. Answer is false. The families want for a wall around the lake. Answer is false. The families enjoyed a game of frisbee. Answer is true. Mr. Nandram likes music. Answer is true. Mr. Nandram promised to take the children for another picnic soon. Answer is false. Thank you. February 2021, Class 4, English. Crime never pays. A drama. Why did Birju and Hira leave the village? Answer is for earn more money for city. Next, how did Birju and Hira manage to earn money? Answer: Hira is honest and hardworking, while Birju is lazy and careless. Birju always leaves his share of the work unfinished, which Hira kindly picks up after finishing his own work. A year passed. Birju and Hira have earned a lot of money. Thank you.
Subject Abacus, class nursery, page number 13, date of 1st February 2021. Write the bits value. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because above the line the bit value is 5. So I will write here 5. 6 and 5, 6, 7. Thank you. Class UKG, page number 13, day of 1st February 2021. 4, 5, 6. Write with your left hand. Thank you. Subject Abacus, class 2, page number 13, 1st February 2021. First 1, 1 add. 1, 1 and 8. So answer is 10. Next 5, 2, 8. 5, 2, 8. Answer is 15. Then 2, 6 less 8. 2, 6 less 8. So answer is 0. Then 4 less 2 add 8. Answer is 10. Then 2, 8, 4. Answer is 14. Then 8 less 1 add 8. Answer is 15. Thank you. Subject Abacus, class LKG, page number 9, 1st February 2021. Match. 24, 50, 30, 21. And here 1, 12, 15 and 51. Thank you. Subject Abacus, class 1, page number 11, 1st February 2021. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, add 1, less 3 and add 1. So answer is 5, 6, 7. Next 7, less 2, less 5, add 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 and add 1. So answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, less 6, less 2, add 1. So answer is 1, 2.